So this is a demonstration of how financial services organizations can use HYPR's true passwordless login for their various web applications. Today we will be logging into Highlands Bank and then executing a wire transfer to a first-time beneficiary, which is typically in a banking environment where fraud occurs. So let's get started. First, the user will need to provide their username into their web application, and then they will press the passwordless login button. They will then be notified on their mobile device to authenticate. As soon as they authenticate, in this case with their Touch ID, they will be granted access into the banking application itself. Now once they are in the banking application, they will have a pending transaction for $5,700 that they can complete. When they click the button to complete the wire transfer on the web application, they will be asked to confirm the amount on their mobile device. Now once they confirm the amount, they will be asked to do a face recognition authentication, since this is a higher level assurance function. So that's all it takes to log in and do a high value transaction when using true passwordless authentication with HYPR. And this doesn't rely on any shared secrets whatsoever and completely eliminates the need for text messages, phone calls, or anything else that causes the user friction. Alright, so let's take a look at how true passwordless web login works with HYPR. First, when a user goes to a web application such as a banking application or e-commerce application, they will be asked to provide their username. Once they provide their username, that will initiate the true passwordless login with the HYPR server. The HYPR server will issue a policy and a challenge to the user's mobile device using a push notification. The user's mobile app will then enforce the challenge by requiring the user to do a FIDO-Certified authentication by providing one or more authenticators such as a Face ID or a Touch ID. Once that FIDO-Certified authentication is complete, the user is granted access into the web application. All of this takes less than a couple of seconds, and the best part is that it requires no password, no SMS messages, and absolutely no shared secrets, so the user is protected from phishing attacks, and the enterprise is protected from credential stuffing attacks, which are the source of so much account takeover fraud.